Adrian. There.
Hey, I heard they got a B+ on the last AP Bio test. Is it great Thea falling in ranks? Just kidding. When are we meeting again?
Wednesday at the library, right?
Oh, okay. See you then?
Okay, bye. If I keep doing worse than this, Harvard might rescind my admission.
Thea over here. What were we studying first again?
Wasn't it organic chemistry?
Organic chemistry?
Oh my gosh, it's one of the hardest subjects.
I know, I have a workshop on it.
I'm telling you guys, there's no cute girls at the library.
I know this is a good question, but did you get accepted in Harvard too?
Yeah, did you?
Yeah, just look what I'm wearing.
I mean, I guess.
Yeah. So, what majors did you apply for?
I already got accepted for biological sciences. I want to go into the medical field.
Me too. Can I have your number?
I'll be
sure.
back. I'm gonna go to the restroom.
You think Harvard's gonna be hard?
I mean, it's one of the most prestigious schools out there.
But sometimes it's like I can see the future stretched out in front of me, just plain as day.
Guys, I need help choosing an Instagram photo. Should I choose this one or this one? Oh my gosh, you guys are literally goals.
Honestly, if you guys break up, I don't think true love even exists.
So how are you and Rain doing?
I think we're doing pretty good. I just think he's a bit busy.
Are you sure? It seems like he's been treating you differently.
No, I'm pretty sure he's just a bit busy.
Thea, you have to be at least presentable when we go out to eat dinner with my friends. You're gonna embarrass me.
But isn't this pretty?
Go change.
What made you think you can leave the house without makeup on? Like, you're still ugly with it, but at least you're less ugly. I guess we're canceling date night.
Dear Mr. Pun, I'm very sorry to inform you that... Wait,
I'm home.
Where were you? Why weren't you replying? Were you with Elihu and Brian? Because they weren't replying either.
You're nagging. Where was I? Who was I with? How much money did I spend? Can you just stop?
Okay, fine. But what is this? I thought you got accepted to Harvard. Did you lie to me?
What about it? I got rejected, okay?
But you told me you were accepted. I was accepted.
What, do you think that makes you better than me? You're not better than me. You'll never be as good as me at anything.
That's not what I'm trying to say. You lied to me from the very start. Was everything a lie? I thought you were approaching me because we had a common interest.
Just drop it, Thea.
But we were supposed to go to Harvard together.
No, come to Cal State Long Beach with me.
No, Harvard is my dream school. Don't expect me to follow you somewhere just because you want me to.
I've done so much for you. I've given you affection, food, clothes, time, anything you wanted, I gave to you.
I haven't asked anyone around here to do anything for me.
Thea, you have no one left. Adrian and Aaron left you. You're alone.
What are you gonna do at Harvard when there's no one there with you? You should just come with me.
Raiden, I already told you I'm not gonna follow you blindly just because you expect me to. What you offer can't even top Harvard and the future it has for me. It's not enough.
For a woman, it should enough.
Are you being serious right now, Raiden? It's not enough for me. You couldn't even achieve your own dream, so you butchered up a dream of mine. You, who always was talking about your own dreams.
Shut up! I don't care. You're going to wherever I decide we go.
It's my life, not yours!
혜야, 학원에서 왔다. 여기 체크해봐.
알았어.
Dear Miss Younger, I am very sorry to inform you that it is no longer possible to offer you admission to the class of 2024. I wish I were writing to report a different decision.
Hey, it's okay. We'll always be here for you. And Harvard isn't the only prestigious school you can go to for biological science. You can go to UCLA or UCSD.
Yeah, and don't even think about him anymore. He doesn't deserve another second of your time. I didn't think he'd ever hit me, you know? I just think I missed all the red flags.
It's okay, Thea. At least now you know, right?
Yeah, how did you let it get this bad? I don't know. I don't even think I knew it got this bad. I guess I just didn't realize how bad things were with him.